My dad, my uncle, they're not bald. They just have big foreheads. I just want a 4-head, not a 5-head. We're just moving that down. I feel like it'd help me a lot if I lowered my hairline. I was in like middle school or something and people were like, dang, look at his forehead. And I didn't think anything about it until I like got in high school and people, you know, actually started kind of making fun of you. I was in a band for a little while. It was a heavy metal band. The position we were in is, you know, you're supposed to have long hair. Caleb could have long hair, but me and Shane, like my brother, we couldn't because we had to like cover our foreheads. I'd rather just have it fixed. It sucks that I'm young and like I've always had to just kind of hide it, have a technique. I take the hat and wear it backwards and just do my hair just right and it'll look fine. But I'd rather just have it off. You know, it's been like 105 and stuff outside sometimes. I mean, it just sucks not being able to take that hat off in front of people, you know? I'm very nervous, never had surgery, so that's kind of scary. Yeah, I'm excited for 6 months from now when it's gonna look good. I'm Ethan, I'm 21 years old, and I had hair grafting 1 year ago. I chose hair grafting because I didn't want to shave my head, and it was the cheaper option, and it was the most effective option. Hair is important to me because being so young and having hair loss at 19 and 20 looked really, really strange on somebody so young. So I wanted to get rid of that. Because you know how an alien has like a big head, you know, that's what it looked like. Yeah, I was so embarrassed by my hair loss that I took a trip to the beach and at first I wouldn't even get in the water for a while because I just didn't want to take my hat off and just, you know, show any of that because I was afraid somebody might say something. That affected my confidence a lot because I would go to job interviews and use hairspray, and it was pretty obvious when somebody uses hairspray and the wind's blowing and nothing's happening to their hair, especially since my hair was like down to here and like it wasn't moving. So I wanted this procedure so bad. I saved up money for like a year and I sold stuff, and eventually I had the money to pay for this procedure and it was worth every penny. I heard about We Grow Hair just Googling hair growth serums and stuff, and then We Grow Hair had the best ratings, and I didn't see anything online about people saying it didn't work or anything, and I saw that at other places, but I didn't see it here. And then I called Anna at the front desk about 200 times in a week and annoyed everybody here with questions. They treated me very well, answered all my questions. The day of the surgery, I was scared to death. I was shaking on the way here. I couldn't eat anything on the car ride here. Tried calming me down, it just didn't work. They couldn't calm me down. No, I was in no pain during the procedure. I recovered fast, like 10 days. I was pretty well back to normal. You know, I went out in public and nobody said or noticed anything because, you know, I could cover that up back there because I had, you know, I didn't have to shave my head, so I could just put, you know, comb my hair over that and nobody could tell I had surgery. I got a call like a month after and then 3 months after, and then I got emails just all in between, and then 6 months after I got a call and somebody called me and told me Merry Christmas. So I got a lot of calls and emails. The third month or something, like it was all coming in pretty good, like pretty thick. At like 6 or 7 months, it was like I could, you know, mess around with it. Nobody even noticed that something happened, you know. Getting this done has changed my life a whole lot. Like, my friends used to make fun of me a lot for like, you know, having such a big forehead. And the only time I wear a hat is when I'm actually keeping the sun out of my eyes. I'm actually using them what they're for now instead of trying to cover something up. If you're thinking about getting this done, get it done, because 8 or 10 days, that's all the recovery time you pretty well need. And then, you know, months later, it's kind of pulling it back, you're showing it off, and I'd recommend it to everybody.